Previously, on our Trafalgar tour of the 5 epic national parks, we completed a scenic cruise down the Snake River. Even though this is only a Class 1 type river, we still managed to get a little soaked. I also scored some really incredible shots of bald eagles, swans, and prairie dogs, just to name a few. After the river cruise, our driver and group decided to head over to Teton Village and check out that unique town below the mountains. My father and I managed to get a ride on a gondola to the top of the mountain as well, which offered a very picturesque view. And now that you're all caught up, let's head into day number 3. Alright everyone, welcome to day number 3 of our adventure out west. And today we are at Grand Teton National Park. Here to look at some amazing sights. Unfortunately, due to the wildfires out west, it is a little smoky, so I don't know if I'll be able to get a really clear view of the mountains.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, but it was really cool. That was so we didn't get it in here. Oh, yeah, but where did you? Prairie dogs.
What? Oh, there is? Some prairie dogs. Where are they?
Hi, baby.
Oh, there it is.
Cute.
Oh, it's a little baby prairie dog, guys. Look at that. Ah, it's got its little hole over there. That's the only thing, guys. I wish it wasn't so smoky from those wildfires out west. But that's okay. At least we were able to make it here.
It's a little one. You have to go
It's absolutely gorgeous.
I only saw the one. Huh? Oh, yeah. Look, I love it.
Okay, I hope you all enjoyed the first stop. Now we're off to another location within the Grand Teton National Park. Say hello, Dad.
Welcome to Wyoming.
That, in the early 1800s, the U.S. only went to the Mississippi River. All right? And then in the early 1800s, 1803, we had the Louisiana Purchase, and
look how amazing these mountains are. Wow. Truly incredible, guys. Grand Teton National Park. Now we're going to make a stop at Jenny Lake. This is just gorgeous. Wow, look at this. This place is incredible. This has to be one of my favorite places, guys. Look at this. This place has to be one of my favorite lakes. It's just truly incredible. Reminds me of Canada.
The Snake River flows into it and then flows out of it.
Wow. Look at that. A whole lot of fish. A whole lot of churning going on the other side.
So there's the Snake River. Top 10 spots to take pictures. And so we have moose here, we get swans and eagles, and we're going to pull into this little viewpoint right off here to the right.
Okay, everyone, we are at the lodge over here. Super beautiful. This is our actual final stop in Grand Teton National Park. And I have to say, I had an amazing time. Really incredible views here. Look at this. All right, everyone, now we're going to be approaching the Rockefeller plaque. Nice. Just a gorgeous day out here in the Tetons. Thanks to Mr. Rockefeller, this is all possible here. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed my Grand Teton National Park adventure, and now it's time to head to Yellowstone.